Hello guys, welcome to Ikra Technology. So today we will see member overloading. First, let's see what is member overloading. Member overloading means overloading of methods. Means method overloading and member overloading is the same, okay? And method overloading comes in overloading, okay? Like what comes in method overloading? We use method of the same name in the same class, but their parameters are different, okay? This is done then our method overloading, whose concept is it? That is of polymorphism. This is of polymorphism and polymorphism is a main pillar of OOPS concept. Okay, so method overloading is the concept of polymorphism and the other concept is method overloading. First, let's see method overloading. Method overloading means I will tell you again. There is a method of the same name in the same class, but their parameters are different. Okay, they are not the same properly, means their parameter are not completely the same. If there is a string in it, then string will also come below it. If there is an integer above it, then integer will also come below in both the method. It is not like that. Okay, so here you have all the examples. Same method name are there, different parameters are there, and the method overloading is a compile time polymorphism. When the system compiles means Visual Studio, then it checks for error. Okay, that what is the error? Is there any issue? So then it informs us. Here is a chart, for example, of method. The method here is a public void car, and public void car. All the three methods are in the same class, but their parameters are different. It has int speed, it has string name, it has both. All the three parameters are different. It has one which is integer, it has one which is string, it has two which are string and integer. So method overloading means methods are same. The same method in the same class have different parameters. Here you have a scenario related to kitchen. We have taken this example in our Visual Studio Code. If you look here, here is our kitchen class. There are two methods in it. One is mix ingredients, the other is also mix ingredient, but their parameters are different. This is ingredient 1 and this is ingredient 2 here. Okay, and the second method has ingredient 1, 2 and 3. It has two parameters. This has 3. Now look here, it is not static here, so we have created an object of it here in the main method. Then we are calling. Now here I passed two parameters. Now this is string, so we passed it to string. Okay, then the string here will go here and add ingredient 1 here. Mixing flour and sugar with hand mixer. Okay, it print like this. So first I will explain to you. Here is a flour and sugar. Now here I have given two parameters and here I have given three. So how does the system understands? Now here there are two parameters and here we have two parameters, means this is unique, so I cannot make another one like this. See, I copy and paste it, so there will be an error. Why? Because with same parameter, with same method, we cannot make it like this. Okay, can make different parameter with the same method. See here, the error is coming. Kitchen already defines a member called mix ingredient with same parameter type. It has already been defined. So what will we do? Now this is with two parameters. These three means both are unique. Nothing will happen by same name. The method are same but their parameters are different, means they have become unique. So the mixed ingredients here. Now I am doing two. I am passing two parameter. So what does the system understand? That the one with two parameter has to go in it. These values will go in it. Now, when I use three parameters here, what does the system understand? Here, three parameters are passed. These values will go here. Okay, the system understand this on its own. Figures out that here there are three parameters. I have to take these values here. If I give two here, then both will go here only. If I give three here, one will go in this and one will go in that one. Okay, I will run it and tell you so that you can understand better. I have started here. Our code has started here. Then press window arrow so that you can understand. Look here. What will we do here? F10. Then we did F10. Now look here. I did F11 inside that method. Sorry, I did F11. So look, which one did I go inside? I went inside the first mixed ingredient. There are two parameters here. Now I do F10 here. F10 happened. Now I go here and I do F11. So what will happen here? It went inside the second mix ingredient method. Why? Because there are three parameters here. I do F10 here. I do F10 here also. F10 happens. So what happened here? Mix flour and sugar with the hand mixer. Mixing flour, sugar and eggs with the hand mixer. Understood? Now look here. What did I do? I went properly in both the different methods. I give 2 here. Give only 2 parameters. Now I start. It has started. Let us do window arrow. Window arrow has been done. 1 second. So the arrow has become like this, and here it has become this. Now what is here? What do I do? I pressed F10. The object has been created. Then what is in the next? Now I press F11 here. So where did it go? In the first method. If you see in the first method where there are two parameters, Visual Studio has configured it out on its own. Okay, the system now. I press F10 here. Now next comes F10. I pressed F10 again. So it has gone back to first method. Why? Because here there are only two parameters. So two parameters are unique in the system. Are you understanding that it is unique in the system, right? The two parameters with the name mixed ingredient are unique. There is not one more. If there is one more, then its type of parameters will be different. Then its type of parameter will be different. So what do we do here? When we put two parameters, then the system itself configures them out. Did you understand? That yes, this value should go here. The system itself configures out that I have to pass these values here and these values have to be passed here by watching parameters. Means after looking at the parameter, the system configures out that I have to put these values here and these values have to be put here because there are three parameters here and two parameters here. Did you understand? This is called method overloading. Here in a class, there are many methods with the same name, but their parameters are different. Okay. So here next, now if you see here, is its line explanation here properly. The code which we explained you, each line is explained here also. Here you have to practice this task so that you can understand better. Okay. So today we saw method overloading in C#. Thank you.